In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a base URL variable in Postman. This simple setup lets you switch between environments like development and production without rewriting your requests, keeps your workspace tidy, and reduces mistakes. First, open or create an environment. In the top right corner of Postman, click the Environment dropdown. Choose Manage Environments, or click the Add button to create a new one. Give it a clear name that reflects where you'll use it, such as development, staging, or production. Naming environments well makes it obvious which server you're targeting and helps prevent accidentally sending requests to the wrong place. With the environment editor open, add your base URL variable. Create a variable called something like base URL or base URL. Just be consistent with the name you'll use later. You'll see two fields, initial value and current value. Initial value is the shared or default value, often used when syncing or sharing with a team. Current value is what Postman actually uses at runtime when sending requests. If you want predictable behavior, fill both fields with the same URL. If you're collaborating, consider keeping sensitive or experimental values in the current value only so they don't get shared. For example, you might set https://api.dev.example.com in development and https://api.example.com in production. Decide whether you want a trailing slash. Whichever you choose, be consistent so you don't end up with double slashes or missing slashes in your requests. Next, click Save in the Environment Editor. This step is easy to forget, but crucial. After saving, make sure the environment you just configured is selected in the top right dropdown. When it's active, Postman will resolve variables from that environment. You can hover over a variable in a request to preview its resolved value, which is a helpful way to confirm you're pointing to the right server. Now use the variable in your request URLs. Replace the host section with your variable using double curly braces. For example, instead of typing a full URL, write base URL v1 users. The rest of your path and query parameters can stay the same, and you can reuse this pattern across all your requests. If you see the variable name instead of a full URL when sending a request, that usually means the environment isn't selected or the variable name doesn't match exactly, so double-check both. That's it. With a base URL variable in place, you can switch environments instantly and keep your collections clean and maintainable.